One of my favorite ones is when you were little and I used to be in school, you would wait for me so that both of us could go under the bed and play. That I thought is a very cute memory in my mind about our childhood.
The Pan Am parties really stand out. Copious amounts of liquor and food, through the 80s and maybe early 90s. So that was awesome.
I really admire about you is the fact that how you worked so hard to overcome so much and change so much about yourself through the course of life. You really reached your fullest potential. I think that is something very lovable about you.
Very obvious kind of a question. I'm not expecting it, but you've always been especially when we were growing up, and you've always been a sounding board, and we have shared a lot over the years, and I think that's the best part. Movies, obviously, the holy trinity of
Amitabh Bachchan movies that we watched together.
Diwar, Trishul and Sholay.
I think we watched it together some 100 times.
Over lunch, we used to insert one of the VHS tapes in the VCR, and you know that I can beat anyone on a dialogue competition. I know all the 3 movies by heart.
I think the fact that despite the distance that we have, physical distance that we have, and the fact that we are not able to meet each other, we have the knowing that, we are there for each other, and which we have been at various points in time. And I think that is something very, very special to me.
It's a special relationship, obviously. It stood the test of time for years, and we probably don't talk or meet as much as we used to, but I think permanency of the relationship is there, and that's something that we'll cherish forever.
Can I talk about our breakup? So do you remember about this first boyfriend that I had, and we had a breakup, and I came back and I was complaining about it to you, and you said, "Sare ladke aise hi hote hain, and tu santara kha." Despite you being younger than me, you had such amazing maturity to make me feel better at that point. I thought it was funny and it was very nice.
You know that I had to jump out of the second floor of my girlfriend's house. That was very funny, and the whole market saw it, so I think that's something. Well, let's not talk more about it.
The very interesting thing about our lives is that, I started my career in the corporate world, stayed there for about 25 plus years, and then became a chef. And in your case, it was just the reverse. You started by being a chef, and now you're in a corporate world. So somewhere, I think there is some connect here. I think that's very interesting. I don't think that has happened to any brother or sister between them.